Well guys, welcome to another Hunley Garage. Had Maxpeedingrods reach out, and they have a hitch for my Tesla Model Y Performance. I did tell them that I do have one installed from the factory, but I would go ahead and compare it if that's what they wanted me to do. And then if any of you guys are watching that are close, have a Model Y and want a hitch, message me or put a comment down and come over. We can take it apart and put it on. So looks like they package it pretty good. This sucker is heavy. There we go. So this is the hitch. This is a heavy duty sucker. Good Lord. I don't know what is that, two? Is that a 2-inch ball? Let me see here. Or a 2-inch. I guess. Looks huge. It's more heavy duty than what I got on my truck. I don't know if I can lift this thing. Oh my God. This is where it obviously mounts to the car on the side and over there. So what I'm going to do is try to get it out of the box and then bring it over there and compare it. It's freaking heavy. I need 2 hands. All right, so here she is next to the back of the car. This thing is just freaking massive. So this steel is freaking thick. This is like 1/4 inch, at least 3/8, if not quarter. And looks like it's got real good welds. Those nuts on the back are spot welded in there. Looks like it's got a coat of paint all over this. Golly. It's one heavy duty sucker. So it looks like these plates, they're welded on here pretty good. I mean, it looks like a good weld. This is fit together. And then that's this bar on the bottom. So these plates, and again, this is looks like a good weld in there. These plates will mount on the car. This is welded to hold the hitch. And then it looks like this plate on the bottom here kind of holds these two halves together. We've got a good weld around here. Watch my... Oh, bless it. It's probably 80 pounds. Got good welds coming all the way around here. I'm just trying to inspect this thing. She's heavy freaking duty, that's for sure. So this is the plug. Let me grab my plug from my truck. So here's my truck. Here's my truck one, just for, I guess it's probably about the same. I've got different hitches here. Just looked big. I just wanted to check it out. So we'll pull this pin out. This is a standard 2-inch. So it does look a little big, but I'm not sure that's an issue. We'll see if I can get that stuck in there. So it is a little big. It seems a little funny. I don't think my truck's like that. Unless it's the next size bigger. Can't imagine that. So here's my truck. I guess it's, let me put the pin in here. There we go. I guess it moves too. So, yeah. Alrighty. Well, just wanting to check it out for you guys. Let me put this on here. So what I want to do next is show you a comparison of that compared to the stock. So let me go grab a screwdriver. So I guess it's not a screwdriver. Got one of these guys. So what I'm gonna do here is take this plug out. I don't want to screw it up, so hold on. All right, so you just take this plug out, and then there's my hitch. And these, so it's already got the this guy right here for my trailer lights. So this one, you can see it's welded. It's just got this tray, or the plug that's welded to this bracket. And that bracket, let's see if we can, yeah, this is freaking hard to see, but this is welded to this bracket right there. And that bracket comes up to a bar. Cylindrical tube. Probably can't see it up in there. Damn it. Guys, there's like no room in here. There you go. See that bar? And so then that bar, it's mounted on the side of the body over there. Probably can't see it. So this guy is definitely more beefy. So the other one, it had a bracket that went up, and then it had a bar that came over, and then it ties in to the body. This one right here mounts pretty firmly to the side of the body, and then it's welded to this bar. So this looks a lot more heavy duty than the one that I got with the car, but I don't want to take the back of the car apart to put it on. So I think you got to take like these body panels off, of course, and to get it on there. I've got so much going on. I don't need to fix anything that's not broke. But like I said, this is a beefy sucker. If anybody's got a Y and they want it, bring it over and we can do a video taking these panels off and putting it on. But yeah, that's definitely bigger. The only thing I see, so this hitch drops down and it gives me access for this plug. This one right here would be running straight through there. So I think it would be, there's nothing there. So, you know, I think it'd work pretty good. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you guys have put one in. Like I said, if anybody's interested in it, you're more than welcome to take it. Yeah, thanks for sending it to me. That's a comparison between the factory one and This one from Maxpeedingrods, but I don't know. Hope that helped you. I can't talk anymore. This is a beefy dude. This would carry whatever you want for sure. But like I said, if you want it, drop me a comment, message me, email me, and go from there. Thanks for watching.